to the Farm Bureau after a while. You had no interest in pushing it.
What the fuck are you doing? It's one at a time, bro. One at a time. You're fucking... What are you gonna do? Beat me up? What are you gonna do? Beat me up?
Oh, I'll do worse than that.
Why?
You know what alternating traffic means? It doesn't mean one by one.
Yeah, it does. What do you think it means?
Each side goes.
One guy goes, another guy goes. One guy...
You fucking clock me in, I'll grab my fucking clock, bro.
One guy goes, another guy goes.
I might pick up some... Holy shit. This guy crashed right in front of me.
Holy shit, it could have been you.
Wow, lady. Oh.
And each invoice purchasing troop supplies Receipts Act, requiring the Pentagon to pass an audit by 2028. The legislation would direct the Department of War to use AI technology, which the senator says would save money by reducing the reliance on cost.
Is a member of the Conference of Chief Justices, which took the unusual step of filing a brief in this case.
It would be hard to even know exactly what that meant.
The Chief Justice's brief, while nominally not taking sides, says that were the U.S. Supreme Court to adopt the position advocated by...
Cheers with a biscuit, someone yelling hangry, morning with a person popping through the fry-yay with fries
Fucking
in the middle.
Christ!
What is it? More biscuits? I don't know.
The biscuits are
It looks like wind, like a slot machine.
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Move, car!
No. Oh my gosh.
Oh,
you got so lucky. Oh, those cars. Oh.
Crazy.
खड़ा हुआ Breathe.
नहीं उतरो नहीं, हम राइट में लेंगे।
नहीं, सामने कुछ है। सामने है।
Variation. I'm sorry, but I am.
What the?
Holy sh. Wow.
Okay.
Yeah, he's not even past the truck. I don't know.